to Ichigon TV, where finding real coins is beyond the good future.
Hi! Welcome for another premiere details and full edition of all varieties, currency, and information about coins that are very rare and also brilliantly expensive collection. Today I want to thank all my viewers, subscribers, especially my new members,
Dynamic Avelis.
and all audiences. Big shout out to all of you and are fond of hunting and collecting some unique coins that are circulated and non-circulated. So stay tuned, post up, and don't miss this video. Yes, alright mga guys, welcome and let's go down to our topic, which is certainly one of a kind coins made in our country, known as our new generation currency coin that is circulated nowadays. So what I'm telling you is all about the 20 peso coin. This is currently known for its size, thickness, figures, and value. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, isa itong finalist sa Best New Coin or Series category with International Association of Currency Affairs (OICA) at ito ay Excellence in Currency Award finalist. Ang nagdisenyo nito ay si Marcelo D. Santiago aka Dodong, na isang kilalang Filipino engraver at artist na nagtatrabaho para sa BSP o Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. At ito yung features ng coin na dapat natin malaman. Issuer, Philippines. Period, Republic since 1946 up to date today. Type, Standard Circulation Coin. Year, 2019 to 2020. Value, 20 pesos o 20 PHP. Currency, peso. Composition, bimetallic, nickel-plated steel centered in bronze-plated steel ring. Weight, 11.5 grams. Diameter, 30 mm. Thickness, 2.2 mm. Shape, round. Technique, meld. Orientation, middle alignment. Up. Number 187353. Francis KM #313. And low expenses ang coin na to kumpara sa banknote na madali lang masira. So may mga error na natuklasan nito like double strike na nangyayari kapag ang barya ay na-strike ng dalawang beses gamit ang die. Ito ay maaaring magdulot ng bahagi o buong dobling disenyo. Ang pangalawa ay die crack at cuts. Ang mga die crack ay mga linya o bitak sa ibabaw ng barya na sanhi ng pinsala ng coin die. Ang mga cuts ay mga taas na bahagi sa barya, sanhi ng pagputol ng mga ng die. Hayaan yung next episode natin ay makita at matunghayan ninyo ang mga klase ng error na usually nakikita natin sa mga coins. Like sa mga errors na blank planchet, off-centered strike, clip planchet, broad strike, error, mint mark errors, double die, struck through error, off metal error, die clash, intended strike, at counter stamp error, at marami pang iba. Kasali na ang mga banknotes galing ibang bansa. So, ang ating makikita sa ating kinokolekta sa sirkulasyon. So, ito yung more info about sa mga 20 peso coin to 2020 na mintage or percentage number yan na ating matutuklasan ngayon. So yung 2019 age 1 na first minted na 20 peso coin ay may 35% o composed of 2,090,000 minted coin. Samantalang ang age 2 ay may 3% mintage, while ang 2020 naman age 1 ay may 13% mintage, age 2 na high mint mark na may 9% mintage at age 2 low mint mark na may 11% mintage. Then ang age 3 naman ay may 57% mintage, and lastly but not the least, ang age 4 na may 2% mintage. Likewise, may binibili tayo na high mint mark 2020 at 2019 year lalong-lalo na if may error na naka-indicate kanina sa list of error na ipinakita natin at binibili natin yan sa malalaking halaga at pwede nating pag-usapan through direct message o personal message sa page natin para ma-update agad sa value at location and terms of payments nito. And that's all for today. Good luck and thumbs up.